How to make your own bot on Poe. In order to do that, you first need to head over and then sign up or log in on Poe. Now from in there, you can see this create bot option. Head over and click on that. And then in here, you just need to complete your Poe profile to continue. So head over and click on this complete profile. And then you just need to enter in here your name as well as the username that you will be using. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here your name and it should be unique 4 to 20 characters. And in here, for example, let's name our bot. So for example, let's name this helpful bot. And then you should be able to see in here if it actually reached 20 characters. So it needs to reach around 20 characters in order to make this possible. And in here, it actually uses this case. So there needs to be no space in here as well, like that. And you should be able to see if this space is actually available. Now in here, you can see this bot behavior. You can use prompt or you can use server, and you can just head over and then put in your server URL as well as access key that you need to connect. But if you want an easy bot, you can use prompt, and in here you can see in here some text like Cloud AI, Cloud 2, Cloud 3, as well as other things like Gemini, ChatGPT, Llama, and a lot more. So for example, let's head over and then use in here this ChatGPT 4.0, and then you can just put in here best practices for your prompts. So let's say something like here like, you are a doctor. And then this bot right here can help diagnose diseases if you want to, and you can put in here some knowledge bases and site sources if you want to as well. And for example, you can also put in here getting message. So for example, I'll just put in here, let me diagnose you. And then you can see in here the advanced page like suggestions, replies, custom temperature, bot profile. And then from in there, you can actually head over and then use this right here. So let's head over and click on this create bot once you're done, and then click on this right here. You just need to head over and add a profile or bio as well. So for me, I'll just continue without editing further. Now once you have done that, this bot has now been created, and you can head over and just send them a message. Example, I have back pain. Let's send some message right here. Then as you can see, it will show you this. It will ask you some questions that will help them diagnose you further. So that's how you make your own bot on Poe. Hope you helped.